beach. Sunny and Danny. Huh?
Hold on.
Oh, I gotta hold on. Hey beautiful faces, we're back for another video here at Dania Beach. See how he's doing me, Andrea? See how he fanned me? See how he fanned me, Andrea?
Oh, this for Andre?
Andre. You see how you do me?
Oh,
y'all call her Andre, but her name is Andrea. It's for our followers, whoever was watching.
But if it's for
but
her,
it's mainly for her because she
okay,
say, Dan,
okay,
you don't never act like you want to be a part of the camera. No, he don't want to be a part of the camera. And then when I start getting my camera taken off, guess what? He gonna be like, babe, give me the camera. Let's record. Okay guys, we just got out of the water. That water is perfect. That's the first time I've come to the beach and the water is perfect. It's nice and it's warm because it's super hot out here. But Danny always set us up where we don't have to feel that heat. I need to see more of my people out here at the beach. Where are my people? Where's the melanin? Come on people, y'all need to meet me to the beach. All right, I wanted to show you guys my setup or our setup. See these two beach chairs? I actually thrifted these. They were like $3 a piece. Have my blanket. This is the blanket I use when I go to the lake to ground and sit out there and get recharge. We have two big beach towels. So when we get out of the water, and then this towel is like the sand towel, so when we come out of the water we can take the sand off of our feet and then get onto the pallet. This and this umbrella I got from the thrift store. I think I paid about $5 each. And then this big one is actually our umbrella on our patio set. So we just brought this one and it works perfectly. So if you, I would love to hear your setup. What do you bring? What do you take? What food? Actually, Dania Beach has this little restaurant over here. I'm gonna show you. If you can see right there, let me zoom in. See right there? That's like a little restaurant, and they sell for you to order. And Danny is over there now to see what they have. So yeah, we're gonna hang out here till about 1. It is now 10:45. We got here like 9:30, so we're gonna be out here till about 1. And then from here, we're gonna head over to my sister Wanda's house because she is cooking, and we invited her to come, but today is Sunday, so she normally cooks on this day. And we're gonna go over there and hang out with her. All right.
There it is. Here you go. Video. Slow as molasses. Not dirty.